Welcome to this guide on creating custom Docker networks. In this session, you will learn how to make isolated networks for your containers. Let's dive in. Docker networks provide isolated communication channels between containers. They control how containers talk to each other in the outside world. This isolation is crucial for security and managing complex applications. Docker has three default network types available: bridge, host, and none. The bridge network is the default network for containers, allowing them to communicate with each other. The host network uses the host's network directly, offering no isolation. The none network provides no network connectivity to a container. To list existing networks, use the command docker network ls. To inspect a network, use the command docker network inspect, followed by the name of the network, such as bridge. To create custom networks, use the command docker network create. Custom networks provide better isolation and control for your containers. For example, you can create a basic network by simply typing docker network create my network. You can also create a network with a specific driver by using the command docker network create, followed by the driver option and the driver name, such as bridge, followed by the desired network name, for example, app network. When creating custom networks, you can define several configuration options. The subnet option allows you to define the IP address range for the network. The gateway option lets you set the network gateway. The IP range option limits the container IP allocation within the subnet. For example, to create an advanced network with these options, use the command docker network create, driver bridge, subnet equals 172.20.0.0/16, gateway equals 172.20.0, one advanced network. To connect containers to networks, use the network flag when running containers. You can also connect existing containers using the command docker network connect. To run a container on a custom network, use the command docker run network my network nginx. To connect an existing container, type docker network connect my network container name. To disconnect a container from a network, use the command docker network disconnect my network container name. Network isolation provides several benefits, including enhanced security, controlled access, service separation, and improved performance. Isolation helps prevent unauthorized access between containers. Different networks allow controlled access, ensuring only necessary communication. Isolating services can prevent conflicts and unwanted dependencies. Better performance is achieved by reducing unnecessary network traffic. Think of the network as a boundary that secures what's inside. Several commands help manage Docker networks. Docker network ls lists all networks. Docker network inspect provides details about a specific network. Docker network prune removes unused networks. Docker network rm deletes a specific network. To remove a network, use the command docker network rm my network. To clean up unused networks, use docker network prune. To force removal of a network with connected containers, use docker network rm, followed by the option f and the network name. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.